Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and these are my views in fewer than two. Bluesky, this app, this protocol, this whatever the hell you call it, that was kicked up by Jack of formerly of Twitter, back when he was still at Twitter. Money, millions, has been thrown at Bluesky, and media have been talking about Bluesky as a Twitter alternative. But let me tell you, now that I finally have access to it, thanks to Scott Beale of Laughing Squid, I'm not that impressed, at all. I mean, it's like Twitter, but it's Spartan, it's limited, the feature set is just not there, there's no discoverability, and quite honestly, even though they just released an Android app, it is not great, the Android app itself, and I'd go as far as to say the iOS app can't be that much different, because again, the features just aren't there. So if you've seen Bluesky floating across your feed, don't be too excited about jumping into it, because I believe this may very well be a proof of concept, as in the app itself may not be around indefinitely. They're trying to build it as a protocol, which would make it kind of an alternative more to Mastodon than to Twitter. Mastodon, in my humble opinion, is superior in just about every way, and you can use it today, and it is absolutely usable. In fact, there was a controversy with Mastodon recently where the default app experience pushes you to mastodon.social, which is where I'm currently running my Mastodon account. Love Mastodon way more than I love Twitter, far more engagement than I see on Twitter on a regular basis, but I still use Twitter too. It's always good to have competition with Bluesky, but I feel that it's difficult to know if you spread yourself too thin with social, so if you see the invite, feel free to jump aboard, but if you're looking for a Twitter alternative, you're better off with Mastodon than anything else today.